Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Rain or Shine. My husband and I spent several days exploring some of the best islands in Italy. In this video, I'll be sharing with you our top 3 islands in the Gulf of Naples, in no particular order. Join us until the end and let's explore together these wonderful islands in the southern Italian region of Campania. First is likely the least known island on our list, Procida. It can be reached by ferry from Naples in only 40 minutes. This small, calm, and colorful island is undoubtedly one of the best-kept Italian secrets. The Il Postino beach is nowadays known after a famous Italian old comedy drama film. My husband and I watched the said film before our trip, and this added more meaning to our visit as we felt a bigger connection with some places in Procida. Procida may not be so famous as other islands, but we fell in love instantly with this tiny paradise. There are clusters of traditional houses along the waterfront in the Marina di Coricella, each one painted in vivid colors. Even the most popular areas of Procida have a laid-back, authentic, and traditional feel. This is one of the main reasons why Procida is my favorite island in this whole trip. If you're looking for a more chill and local vibe, Procida is, in my opinion, the best island to visit if you have to choose only one. Procida has nice beaches too. We spent some time relaxing in Chiaiolella Beach, a great place to watch the sunset. The view over the Marina di Coricella from Terra Murata was absolutely romantic. We enjoyed watching the sunset over the infinite horizon, an unforgettable scene decorated with fishing boats in the harbor, colorful fishermen houses. What a true Mediterranean dream. Next on our list is the unique island of Ischia. The ferry time from Naples to Ischia is between 50 and 90 minutes. Ischia is the biggest island in the Gulf of Naples. The island is known for its exotic sceneries, thermal spas, and natural hot springs. One of the most famous landmarks in Ischia is the Castello Aragonese. This medieval castle stands on a volcanic rocky islet and is connected to the mainland through a causeway. The castle offers a fascinating glimpse into the history of the island, as well as providing a beautiful and dramatic landscape. Situated along the western coast of Ischia, Forio is one of the largest towns in the island. Forio is characterized by its picturesque town center, beautiful beaches, and is considered the cultural heart of the island. The town is full of artisan and art workshops, and there are a good number of cultural events held here each summer. There are several hot springs in the island of Ischia, a reminder of its volcanic origin and constant underground thermal activity. Because we only had limited time and we wanted to save money, we chose the famous hot springs in Sorgetto Bay. This natural phenomenon is quite unique and completely free. San Angelo is considered by many as the most beautiful town in Ischia due to its spectacular location. This Italian gem is built next to a huge mountain rock surrounded by the sea. A small beach divided by a pathway joins the two parts of the town. Sant' Angelo is tiny, but its lovely marina and charming pedestrian streets will make you remember its beauty forever. Last on our list is the world-renowned island of Capri. It can easily be accessed by ferry from Naples in just 40 minutes. The island is divided into two towns, Capri and Anacapri. Capri is known to be the retreat paradise of the rich and famous, and because of this, it is also one of the most expensive destinations in the Mediterranean. But if you're on a budget like us, we also made a separate video where we gave tips on how to make your trip to Capri less expensive. One of the most famous activities in the island of Capri is to ride the chairlift and climb up to Monte Solaro to get one of the best views of the island. Monte Solaro is the highest point of Capri, and the views from the top are really worth to reach its peak. Locals often say that Punta Carena Lighthouse is the best place to watch the sunset in Capri. After our experience there, we have to agree with them. Villa San Michele is one of the most visited spots in the whole island of Capri. We enjoyed our lovely morning walk in its gardens, filled with various exotic plants and trees, and also the magnificent pieces of ancient Roman art. If you're visiting Capri, sailing around the island is a must. One of the best characteristics of the island of Capri is its rugged landscape that you can appreciate even more when you're at sea. We were amazed by the uniquely shaped sea cliffs, caves, and the clear turquoise waters. The Piazzetta has always been the center of life on the island. In the past, it served as Market Square. Today, Capri is a place for huge brands in fashion, jewels, fancy restaurants, and cafes. If you only have a few hours in the island of Capri and want to see a classic view of the sea and the Faraggioni, you must visit the Gardens of Augustus. Don't miss the view over the spectacular Via Crup. The nearby Belvedere di Pizzolungo is also a great place to witness the sunset. The Chiesa Museo di San Michele is situated in Piazza San Nicola, and it's one of the main sites of the town of Capri. Its fame comes from its incredible ceramic floor made up of majolica tiles by Leonardo Cianese around 1760. Strolling around the narrow streets of Capri is also recommended. The Blue Grotto was undoubtedly one of the highlights in our Capri trip. We had never seen anything like that before. Videos don't give justice on how majestic the cave actually is in person. One of the most beautiful beaches of Capri is located in the Marina Piccola. This is the spot where Homer wrote that Odysseus had his encounter with the enchanting and dangerous sirens. That ends our top 3 islands in the Gulf of Naples. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you've visited these 3 islands or if you have other suggestions about Italian islands for us to visit in the future. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep creating more travel content. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.